Hello, welcome to Matti Makes. I'm Crystal, and today the drum is full. Let's make some roving. I'm planning on doing a finer spin, so I chose the second hole, which is about 1/4 inch across. We're just going to remove a little bit of fiber from the edge of the drum with the doffer. Fluff it up. Use your crochet hook to go into the hole you want. The bigger the hole, the bigger the yarn you could spin. Let's just pull that through and let's get you a better view on this. There we are. Now in the description below, I'll put where I got the cute little bunny and the link for that. But this is a really good spinning tool. Probably see me use it in other videos. Grab tight and do little pulls. You don't want to pull out further than the length of your fiber or it will fall apart. That did happen to me once, and I'll show you how to put it back together. But let's now put this in double time. All right, let's get the last bit of that fiber off the bat. Just keep gripping and little pulls. And this little diz is working fabulously. If you don't have a proper diz, you can use a button. You can pop a hole in a milk cap. There's a lot of different things you can do. All right, now this beautiful pot is on the floor. This is a blend, if I didn't say, of 70% alpaca, 30% Willamette blackface wool, which I blended out on the drum carder. Just loosely wrap it around your hand. Don't want to compact the fibers. As you can see, it pulled off fairly evenly. And since I plan on doing like a double ply fingering yarn, this should just be perfect. I'm really excited to see how much this weighs. This is 1/4 of the fiber I was working on, and I was working on 200 grams. So fingers crossed that this weighs 50 grams. Oh, so fluffy, turned out perfect. And oh, that's where it broke. All right, you want to put the pieces on top of each other and kind of tug it both ways, and the fiber just locks together. I just tucked it under a little bit to make sure, and loop it around, and there you go. And you've probably seen balls like this for sale. Just pop it in a plastic bag, right? Beautiful, light, fluffy. Let's take it to the scale. Whoa! Look, 50 grams. Check out my other videos listed below.